Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn constructors in Java. A Java constructor is a special type of method that is used to initialize an object. A constructor is called when an object of a class is created. Constructor can be overloaded, means we can create more than one constructor in a class. In Java, there are two types of constructors. First one is default constructor. This type of constructor provided by Java compiler means if we do not create any constructor in class, then default constructor is automatically created by Java compiler. Second one is parameterized constructor. These constructors are created by programmers. There are some naming rules for creating a constructor. A constructor name must be same as the class name. A constructor must have no return type. A constructor cannot be abstract, static, and final. So let's understand constructors with the help of program. Here is a class. If we want to create a constructor of this class, then the constructor name should be same as the class name, which is main. So this is the default constructors with no body. If we override this constructor, means we can write our code within this constructor. So we simply write a print statement hello. So to call this constructor, we need to create an object of this class. To create object, we use new keyword and then class name. So now if I run this program, then the constructor will automatically called and the output will be hello. So run this program. So you can see the output is hello. Now we create a constructor with parameter. So we define a parameter within this constructor and simply write this parameter. So to call this constructor, we need to pass an argument within the object creation. So I pass 4 here. So now if I run this program, then the second constructor will call. So the output is 4. We can also initialize our variable with the help of constructor. Like if I have x and y variable, then I can initialize these variable using constructor. I declare two parameters a and b here, and then I assign value a to x and value b to y. So if I create an object and pass two arguments 4 and 5, then the value of x and y will be 4 and 5. To check this, we simply print these variable m1.x and m1.y. So if I run this program, then the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. So you can see the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. Create some space here and again run this program. So now you can see 4 and 5 is the value of x and y. So the constructor is automatically called when the object of this class is created. Now if I create another object of this class m2 and I do not pass any argument within this, then first constructor will call. So run this program. As you can see, for m1 object the value of x and y is 4 and 5, means the second constructor is called, and for m2 object first constructor is called. So this is all about constructors. Thank you for watching.